Hello everyone. Hi Bacha Party. How are you all? Yes, you all are fine and doing good studies at home and celebrating lots of festival also. Yes, you had celebrated Rakhi, then Krishna Janmashtami, and the most precious day is of our life is Independence Day. Yes, so all these celebration is going on, but don't forget to do study. Okay? Yes, so today first I will ask some questions to you, then we will start study. Okay, we will start study. Yes, tell me one thing. Right now, where you all? Where you all? Are you at your homes? Are you at your homes? है ना? And have you heard this word stay home, stay safe? Have you heard this word stay home, stay safe? I hope you are hearing this word from 22nd of March. From 22nd of March to till the date. है ना? 22 मार्च से लेकर आज तक की डेट में आपने ये वर्ड बहुत बार सुना होगा, स्टे होम स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम स्टे सेफ. वाई इज इट सो? वाई इज इट सो? Because when we were at home, when we will at home, when we are at home, definitely in these three conditions, आप घर पे थे, आप घर पे हैं और आप घर पे होंगे. इन these तीनों ही कंडीशन में, इन these three conditions, you all feel very safe. Even I can say we all feel very safe. We all feel very safe. Why? Because we all are at homes. We all are at homes, and home is that place where we can feel safe. Home is the place where we can feel safe. घर ही पूरी दुनिया में, घर ही एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे we all are feeling very safe. है ना? Suppose I am giving you one example, right? Suppose you will go with your parents for roaming purpose. है ना? आपको आपके मम्मी पापा दादा दादी के साथ आप बाहर घूमने गए, right? Then one day, after 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, suppose you have a program of 1 week. You have a program of 1 week, right? After 1 week over, after getting 1 week completed, what you feel? What you feel? है ना? What you feel? आप क्या फील करते हो? You want to go to back at your homes. You want to go to back your homes. आपको घर जाने की जल्दी होती है. Then you start telling to your parents, Mama, please यार, I'm getting bored to eat that outside food. I'm not feeling comfortable. Please let's go back to our home. है ना? Why is it so? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because we humans are feeling very very safe at our homes. पूरी दुनिया में हम कहीं पर भी जाएं, कहीं पर भी घूम कर आए, बहुत भले ही वो जगह बहुत सुंदर और बहुत अच्छी क्यों ना हो, but we all feels comfortable, cozy and safe at our homes only. ठीक है? लेकिन हम सब लोग सबसे ज़्यादा आराम, सबसे ज़्यादा कंफर्ट, सबसे ज़्यादा सेफ अपने घर पर ही फील करते हैं. We all are feeling safe at our homes only. We got every comfort at our homes only. है ना? So home is that place where we can feel safe, where we can feel comfort. So पूरी दुनिया में आप कहीं भी जाएं, लेकिन सबसे अच्छी जगह, सबसे अच्छी प्लेस सिर्फ आपका घर होता है. ठीक है? So today we are going to start chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. Okay? So I am going to write chapter 4. Chapter 4. What is the name of your chapter? Hope you understand. Name of the chapter is house. Name of the chapter is house. है ना? So in this chapter, chapter number 4, we will get some new information. We will get some different learning about house. Right? So this is your chapter number 4. I am showing you in front of the camera. This is your chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. And name of the chapter is house. Name of the chapter is house. Right? So, how many things you are going to learn in this chapter? It is mentioned over here, top of the chapter. See here. What things you are going to learn in this chapter? Everything is mentioned over here in the book, top of the book, right? Under the house, what is written over here? The name of the chapter, house, and whatever we are going to return, it's downside, है ना? So first we will learn different type of houses and roofs. First we are going to learn about the different type of houses and roof. Second thing, special features of a good house. Second thing, special features of a good house. And third thing, people who build a house. And third thing, people who build a house. Right? So now I will ask some more questions to you. ठीक है? See, you all are living at your homes, right? Even I am also. Everybody is living in their houses only, right? Everybody has out, whether it is an animal, it is a bird, it is human beings. Everybody has house, right? Are you agree with me? Yes, you all are agree with me, है ना? Now tell me one thing. When no house was there, have you ever think about that early man, जो पुराने आदि मानव आप जिसको बोलते हो, have you think about that early men's? आपने कभी सोचा है कि जब घर नहीं होते थे, when there was no house, then where the early man was lived? Where the early man was lived? कहाँ रहते थे जो आदमी पुराने आदि मानव थे? Where those who are living? Where? They used to protect their self in caves. जो आदि मानव होते थे ना बेटा, they don't have house as like us. They don't have flat. See, that time there was no house system. There was no colonies. There was no proper perfect construct house. है ना? There was no flat system. There was no colony system. There was no city. Then where they lived? कहाँ रहते थे फिर वो लोग? So those early mans used caves. What they used? They used कैट. वो क्या यूज करते थे? वो गुफाओं का यूज करते थे. वो गुफाओं का यूज करते थे. अर्ली मैन was using caves. ठीक है? See, lion lives in den, right? As like lion, they are using caves. वो गुफाओं का यूज करते थे, den का यूज करते थे, right? So that time no houses was there. That time no houses, no culture, nothing was there. कुछ भी नहीं था. Nothing was there. है ना? तो अर्ली मैन जो थे वो लोग गुफाओं का यूज करते थे. Why? Because they also wants to protect their self from all type of season. है ना? they also wants to protect their self. When see whole day to they were roaming in the jungle only, whole day so they were roaming in the jungle only for searching food, but what about night? What about night? Everybody wants to protect ourselves, everybody gets fear at night. हर एक को रात में डर लगता है. Everybody wants to protect ourselves, especially during night time, है ना? So जो अर्ली मैन्स होते थे होल डे तो दे आर स्पेंडिंग टू सर्च द फूड, वो पूरा दिन तो खाना को ढूंढने के लिए जंगलों में बिता देते थे. बट व्हाट अबाउट नाइट? व्हाट अबाउट नाइट? नाइट में क्या करते थे? सो दे सी डेफिनेटली दे वांट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर सेल्फ, सो दे यूज्ड कैव्स. ठीक है, वो कैव्स का यूज करते थे. ओके, सो this is entire about the early man. ठीक है, now we will talk about today's environment. We will talk about today's environment, है ना? First I will read these 4 lines of the chapter. Whatever is written over here, first I will read for you, then I will explain what is written over here, then I will explain to you what is written over there. See what is written on line number 1. I am going to read this. We need a house to live in. Yes, of course, we all need house to live in. We all human beings need house to live in. Even animals also need house to live in. है ना? Even birds are making the nest. Even birds also are making the nest to live in. Birds भी अपने nest बनाते हैं. Everybody wants our own house. Everybody wants our own house. सबको अपना घर चाहिए होता है, because we all are feeling safe at our homes, है ना? So we need a house to live in. Yes, this line is very much correct. It is very much written over here. Everybody wants to house to live in. Right? Member of a family live together in a house. Yes, we all lives with our families in our house only. है ना? We all are living together. We all are living together in a house, है ना? But one thing is different. Some families has a small family, some family has big family, joint family, है ना? Some has nuclear family, some has big family, joint family, living all together. All the family members are living together. All the family members are living together in house, right? So a house protect us from heat, cold, rain and strong wind. What is written over here? A house protect us from heat, cold, rain and strong wind. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. House gives us what? House gives us the protection, है ना? Protection from season, protection from strong wind. What is written? Strong wind. You have to underline this word strong wind, है ना? When you will watch this video, take always pencil with you. Whatever I will instruct you, you have to follow that instructions, है ना? So here the word strong winds, you have to underline this word strong winds. Strong winds means what? Strong winds means what? मजबूत, है ना? According to you, strong means मजबूत and winds means हवाएं. जब भी तेज हवाएं जो चलती हैं उनसे भी अपने आप को बचाने के लिए we need a house, है ना? So house protect us from heat. Yes, definitely during summer season we are not stepping out. Why? Because we don't want to go in heat, है ना? Because that time summer, that time which season? Summer season. So we all wants to protect ourselves from the sunlight, from the heat, है ना? So because why is it so? Because when we will go out in the summer season, definitely we fall sick. हमें लू लग जाएगी. We fall sick. So we are avoiding to go out. We are avoiding to go out during heat, during summer season, because we all wants to protect ourselves. That's why we are staying our homes. We are using fans, we are using cooler, we are using air conditioner, है ना, to protect ourselves from what? To protect ourselves from heat only, है ना. Then suppose it's winter season. It's winter season. Then whole day तो we can sit in sunshine, in sunlight. Whole day तो we can sit in sunlight. पूरा दिन तो आहा ठंड के समय में पूरा दिन तो सबको सूरज की धूप में बैठना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Everybody is taking sun bath during winter season. Everybody loves to sit in sun, है ना. Everybody loves to sit in under the sun. Everybody loves to see. Everybody loves to heat. सबको सूरज की रोशनी अच्छी लगती है. Everybody likes to sit under the sun. But what about night? What about night? When day will get dark, when day will get dark, then definitely we all feel scared. We all feel scared, है ना. कि ऐसा नहीं हो कोई जानवर आ जाए और हमें बाइट कर ले या कोई हमें नुकसान पहुंचा दे, है ना. When day is getting dark, when days starts getting dark, so everybody wants to go back to house. Everybody is in hurry to go to house. Everybody, even me, myself also, I am also in very hurry. After making videos, I wants to go back my home because I am feeling very comfort. I am feeling very cozy, है ना. Homes give me protection. ठीक है. So during winter season, है ना. During winter season, everybody loves to sit under the sun. Everybody loves to sit under the sun. सबको धूप की रोशनी में बैठना अच्छा लगता है. But what about night? Everybody feel when sun will set. When sun will set, then definitely we feel cold. We feel cold and our body like shiver like this, है ना. So we wants to get in the house. We wants to get in the house. So here during winter season also we also wants to protect ourselves from cold breeze. ठंडी हवाओं से अपने आप को बचाने के लिए we always wants to get inside the house. And during rainy season also, when rain will go out, when rain will outside, suppose it is a rainy day, so what you will do? You will step out. आप घर से कदम बाहर निकालोगे? You will step out from your house? No ना. Mama will tell you, no beta, it's raining outside, don't go outside, है ना. You will sick, you start sneezing, you start coughing. So don't go out during these days, right? So have you understood the meaning of this line? A house protect us from heat, cold, rain and strong wind. तेज हवाएं जो होती हैं, strong wind means तेज हवाएं, ठीक है. So इन सारी चीजों से house only can protect us. House only can protect us, right? Now line number 3. It also keep us safe from thieves and wild animals. It also keeps us safe from thieves and the wild animals also, है ना. When we are at home, all the doors and the windows are closed at night, है ना. See, yourself and myself and everybody, every human being never ever sleep while opening the door. कोई भी व्यक्ति, कोई भी इंसान कभी भी दरवाजे खोलकर नहीं सोता है ना. Everybody close the door before go on bed. See, some mamas always have the habit to ask with their papas, है ना. अरे प्लीज जरा डोर चेक कर लेना. जितनी भी मम्मियाँ होती है ना बेटा, सबकी आदत होती है, वो आप सब के पापा लोगों से सोने के पहले एक चीज़ ज़रूर पूछती हैं, क्या पूछती हैं? अरे प्लीज़ आप डोर चेक कर लेना, डोर प्रॉपर क्लोज है कि नहीं है। सारे डोर्स जो हैं घर के वो रात के समय प्रॉपर क्लोज है कि नहीं, आप सोने के पहले प्लीज़ चेक कर लेना, ठीक है। एंड सम ममाज आर टेलिंग टू द पापाज लाइक दैट कि मैं तो सोने जा रही हूँ, आप प्लीज़ सोने के पहले सारे दरवाजे चेक कर लेना कि सारे दरवाजे खिड़कियाँ प्रॉपर तरीके से बंद हैं या नहीं हैं, ठीक है। वाई दे आर टेलिंग लाइक दिस टू योर पापा? वाई? कभी आपने सोचा है? हैव यू एवर थिंक? दिस क्वेश्चन इज रेज्ड इन योर माइंड. Why mama is telling to papa like this? Why mama is telling to papa like this only? ऐसा क्यों बोलती है मम्मा? कभी सोचा है? कभी ये क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में आया है? आपने कभी पूछा मम्मी से, मम्मा why you are telling like this? We are तो at home, we are तो very safe. Then why you are asking with papa like this? Because house gives us protection, right? ये तो सही बात है कि houses give us protection, right? But house and second thing, house protect us from all the seasons, right? ये भी बिल्कुल सही है. It is also very much correct कि house protect us from cold, rain, winter and strong wind also, है ना? But these things is not sufficient. We all are feeling comfort, we all are feeling cozy, we all are feeling very nice at our homes. This is the right, है ना? And house protect us from all types of season. This is also right. But one more thing is written in the book. One more thing is written in the book. What is that? Is that house protect us from thieves. House protect us from thieves and the wild animals है ना? Thieves. So you have to underline this. You have to underline this line also. You have to underline this line also. I am showing you in front of the camera. See, I am also doing underline with you. ठीक है? Yes, you have to underline this line. House keeps us safe from thieves and wild animals. Thieves and wild animals. What is the mean by thieves? What is the mean by thieves? Huh? What is the mean by thieves? What is the mean by thieves? Thieves and wild animal. Thieves and wild animals. What you understood from this line? आपको इस लाइन को पढ़ के क्या समझ में आया? What you understood when you will read this line? क्या समझ में आया जब आपने लाइन को रीड करा? What you understood? Exactly what you understood. See, house protect us from all seasons, है ना? All the family members are living together in a house. This is correct, है ना? How we all see. Suppose one thing. First, we all need a house to live in. This line is very much correct, written in the book. And all the family members are living together. This line also correct. House protect us from all the seasons and strong wind. This is also correct. है ना? Then what you understood by this line? What is the mean by thieves and wild animals? क्या होते हैं ये? Thieves means चोर. Thieves means चोर, है ना? And what they can do with us? What they can do with us? Why we want to protect ourselves from wild animal and the thieves? हम अपने आप को thieves से और wild animal से क्यों बचाना चाहते हैं? Why we want to protect ourselves? Because they can hurt us. They can hurt us. वो हमको नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं, है ना? वो हमको नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं. Suppose जो thieves होते हैं, they are not a good human being. दे आर नॉट अ गुड ह्यूमन बींग्स, है ना, दे कैन हर्ट अस, दे कैन हर्ट अस। वो हमारा सारा सामान तो चुरा कर ले ही जाएंगे, जो भी आपके पास रुपया पैसा धन दौलत है, बट दे कैन हर्ट अस ऑल्सो। वो हमें नुकसान भी पहुंचा सकते हैं शारीरिक रूप से, वो हमें इंजर्ड कर सकते हैं, घायल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो दैट्स वाई वी ऑल वॉन्ट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम थीव्स ओनली, है ना। एंड द वाइल्ड एनिमल्स ऑल्सो, यस, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स मीन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेरी नाइसली animals, those who are living in the jungle, animal those who are living in the forest, we called them wild animals. And wild animal means the animal which we cannot keep with us. Wild animals cannot stay with us at our homes, है ना। wild animals always living in the jungle only, they cannot live with us, that's why they are wild animals, है ना। So wild animals also can get hurt, wild animals can eat us, that's why we all need house to protect ourselves from thieves and the wild animals also, है ना। wild animals से आप समझ जाते हो कि animals those who are not living with us, they cannot stay with us in our homes, that's why they all are wild animals. wild animals means jungle, जंगली जानवर, animals those who are living in jungle, those who are living in forest, है ना। हैव यू एवर थिंक व्हाट इज जंगल? जंगल क्या होता है? जंगल मीन्स खाली बड़े बड़े ट्रीज, झाड़, अंधेरा, सन्नाटा ही नहीं होता, विच यू हैव सीन इन द टेलीविजन, विच यू हैव सीन इन द कार्टून्स। जंगल मीन्स व्हाट? जंगल मीन्स अंधेरा, जंगल मीन्स बड़े बड़े ट्रीज, अजीब अजीब सी जानवरों की आवाजें। हैव यू सीन ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन द टेलीविजन ना? ये सारी बातें आपको टेलीविजन में देख के पता चली है कि जंगल का क्या मतलब होता है। जंगल का मतलब सिर्फ बड़े बड़े झाड़, पेड़ और अजीब अजीब सी आवाजें ही नहीं होता है, राइट। सो जंगल मीन्स देयर इज नो लॉ, देयर इज नो रूल्स एंड द रेगुलेशंस। जंगल का मतलब होता है वहां पर ना तो कोई रूल्स है ना कोई रेगुलेशंस हैं, हर व्यक्ति अपने अपने तरीके से जीता है। That's why that is jungle, and jungle is no law, no rules, no regulations, no foundations, है ना। That's why they are the wild animals. They are very dangerous. They are very dangerous, and we always wants to protect ourselves from the wild animals, from the wild animals, right? Now move on. Next line. Can you think of some other things that a house can protect us from? Can you think of some other things that a house can protect us? अब यहाँ पर लिखा है कि can you ever think apart all these things, can you think any new? Can you think any new thing? इन सारी चीजों के अलावा भी क्या आप ऐसी कोई सी चीज सोच सकते हो जो हमें हाउस देता है? सी, फर्स्ट एवरीबडी नीड्स अ हाउस टू लिव इन। सेकेंड थिंग, ऑल द फैमिली मेंबर्स आर लिविंग टुगेदर इन अ हाउस। थर्ड थिंग, हाउस प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम ऑल टाइप ऑफ सीजन एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड, राइट? हीट, कोल्ड, रेन एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड, राइट? एंड हाउस कैन प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम thieves एंड वाइल्ड एनिमल्स ऑल्सो, राइट? देन number 5, these 4 things तो are written in the book only. These 4 things तो are written in the book only. But can you think apart these 4 things? Can you think apart these 4 things? आप इन 4 चीजों के अलावा भी ऐसी कोई सी 5वीं चीज सोच सकते हो क्या जो हाउस हमें देता है? Mean of this line is that only, right? So all about the house I will revise once again. I will see, dear students, why I am revising once again, because you all are not sitting in the classroom. Classrooms are empty and we teachers are missing you over here, है ना। So sometimes some students can understand nicely, some students can understand quickly, but some students need the recapitulation again and again. That's why we teachers are repeating the things again and again, so you can learn by hearing us. आप सिर्फ हमको सुन के ही याद कर लो चीज़ों को, ठीक है? So once again chapter number 4 we are starting today. House, and we all need a house to live in, as like we all need a clothes to protect our body. ठीक है, all the family members live together in a house. All the family members live together in a house. House protect us from all type of season like heat, cold, rain, winter and strong winds. Apart from the season, है ना, rather than these seasons, house can protect us from thieves and wild animals too, right? है ना, these 4 things तो we are getting in the house. Now can you think of something other? आप कुछ अलग से सोच सकते हो क्या? That a house can protect us, that a house can protect us, right? So here we will today we will discuss about these 4 lines only. I am not in a hurry to go very fast. No, learn slowly but learn it properly. This is my rule, है ना? Learn slowly but learn it very nicely, very properly and deeply. So we are not going to learn more today. It's enough from my side, but before leaving the class I am giving you a work. This time you have to make a house with matchstick at your notebook, on your notebook, है ना? आपको matchsticks लेना है, matchstick means matches, and you have to make a proper picture of a house. You have to make a proper picture of a house according to your choice. I am to giving you a demo only, but you can make house according to your choice, but don't forget one thing, you have to use matchsticks. And Fevicol. And while doing the activity, once again I will repeat this thing, don't take the help of your parents. You have to make this house by yourself only, and you will need only 2 things. First is matchstick box and second is Fevicol, and I hope that both the things you will get available at your home only, है ना? Otherwise matchstick तो सबके पास होती है, no issue. And if you don't have the Fevicol, no issue, you can buy from the market, but you have to write the number of chapter in your EVS book, है ना, name of the chapter, house, and you have to make a picture of a house on first page of the new chapter. You have to use matchstick, है ना, and you have to make a proper beautiful house. Why I am giving you this activity? Because we are going to learn about the house. That's why this is your today's work. When you will watch this video, then you will do this activity. And one more thing, dear students, all the students of class 2, get ready your EVS notebook, cover your EVS notebook nicely, paste the name sheet on your notebook, write your name very properly, your class, your section, है ना, and then submit in the school for correction. Okay, we teachers are here in the school from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So you will bring your notebook, but you cannot come to school. Your parents will come to school, right? You are not allowed to come to school, है ना? So get ready your EVS notebook very nicely and try to complete your notebook. So it's enough from my side. I am going. Bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you. Take care and do study well at your homes. Bye. And don't forget to do this activity in your EVS notebook. Bye bye.